Hi, good evening, MMM. Once again, I will show you my Get Help, another Get Help. Um, this is my Get Help. So, let's see. So, I'm Jamil. I request to get help amount 1,600 pesos on October 3. Yes. Then, this is my summary transaction. Um, Coming from my referral bonus 1,001, almost 1,100, and another referral bonus 500, and left over account 26 pesos, in total 1,600 pesos. Then my provider are Boniao Pedro. He provide 1,100 pesos to me. And the second one is Mr. Louis. He provide 200 pesos. And the third is Borbajo Princess Sophia. She provide 300 pesos. Total 1,600. So this transaction already completed. So I received the 1,600. So thank you, MMM, and also to my manager here in Berlin who inspired me to join this community, and also to the founder of MMM, Sir G. Ma'am Rudy. Mabuhay po kayo. Then to and I will encourage you to support MMM, to join, and we will help each other, and together we change the world. Thank you.